Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to transfer to another wallet using Binance. Well, do you know that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not, do it right now. Now let us simply look at how to transfer to another wallet. At the top right next to your profile, you can see the wallet icon right here. Simply hover over it and let's go to Spot right now. And guys, this is it. This is my Spot wallet. Now what I want to do is simply withdraw it. At the top right next to deposit, you will see a button like this that says withdraw. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. From here, you simply need to enter the coin that you wish to transfer to your wallet. Let's say I want to transfer Bitcoin right now, so I'm simply gonna select it. And do you know that I already have my wallet address copied to my clipboard, so I'm simply gonna paste it right here. And guys, that is it. Once you do, the network will be automatically matched. That is it guys. Once everything's okay, simply hit on this withdraw button and just follow along the prompts. That is it guys. That's how we transfer to another wallet in Binance. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.